Hey everybody, I'm in the F-150 heading on to Calvert City to Tag Truck Center. Go pick up my rest of my parts. I believe it's been a week today since I got home, and hopefully we get this thing all snapped back together and we can get out on Friday and start making some money. Stay cool while we're doing it, right? AJ started his first day back to school in I believe probably 2 years, so he's going through some changes today, and I hope he does well. Keep him in your prayers, and I'll get my parts, and we'll do a parts list and a total on what it costs me to put that AC back together, and as soon as I get everything done and get a chance to sit down and do a tally for you. God bless. Have a great day, and later.